She cannot continue. Education Minister Carl Samuda promising decisive action after a Pembroke Hall High School teacher was caught on video threatening to kill a student. Even as school authorities and the Education Ministry investigate the incident, the Education Minister insists if the video is authentic, when investigations are complete, it is unlikely that the teacher will be allowed to continue. Now, TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has the details.
A shocking tirade by a Pembroke Hall High School teacher, which went on for 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
If the film that I saw is an authentic film and a representation of how she behaved, then I think it is absolutely unforgivable. That teacher cannot continue to operate in the classroom. She needs training. Already discussions have started with the board chairman and the members of the board, and we'll be convening a meeting first thing next week, and a very decisive decision will be taken.
The principal told us a statement was collected from the teacher, insisting she will continue teaching despite investigations.
The teacher will be on duty because this is a matter that happened yesterday, and we are just now compiling the relevant report statements in order to do due process. And so there would not be a reason for me to have the teacher not be here.
Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison, though, feels it's inappropriate for the teacher to continue teaching.
What of the other children in her class? How will they now feel in that environment that they're expected to learn in? Are they now in fear of their teacher? And how suitable is it that she continues until at least there's some cooling off period?
She says she spoke with the father of the student, who said his son is rattled.
He's very concerned about the safety of his child, and the child is very concerned and nervous about his personal safety because of the threat that he received and the kinds of feelings of intimidation that he attached to that threat.
Mrs. Gordon Harrison says the incident has been reported to police and her team will visit the school on Monday. The principal, in the meantime, says the public should allow time for due process.
Well, we recognize that this is something that no doubt will cast a negative light on our school, but we are prepared to weather the storm. We are out there, we are teaching our classes, we are maintaining order, and the school is in session.
The first of 5 steps listed to achieve the Pembroke Hall High School mission statement is about creating and maintaining the best possible learning or teaching environment. The now viral 2-minute 21-second video fundamentally goes against that principle, and the Education Ministry, along with the staff here at the Pembroke Hall High School, are now desperately trying to investigate what led to that breakdown. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.